and it's dark down here. Rise, fair lady, and give me your seat, for I am drunk and pale with fear, and may fall upon you. Right. How shall I compare thee to a summer's day? For thou art more lovelier, and just as hot. The train rumbles and shakes the darling buds in May. Sorry. So I ask if there's any chance of a date. Is this a lager I see before me? Can't touch the Lord my hand. Come, let me touch thee. I should have thee not, yet I have thee still. Art thou not tasty beverage, illegal by public drinking laws? Or art thou a lager of the mind, a false creation proceeding from the heat of press spring? I taste thee yet, in form as palpable as this which I now burn. I am a drunk. Hath not a drunk eyes, hath not a drunk hands, senses, feelings, affectations, fed by the same kebabs, hunt by the same chips, subject to the same subway fare, carried by the same trains, warm and cooled by the same wee window as a sober man is. If you kick us, do we not say ho? What's your pal? If you tickle us, do we not say get out from me? If you poison us, we do not die, for we are already pickled. Out! Out, damn spot! Who would have thought a week kebab would have so much sauce in them? All the world is a train, and all the men and women being a traveller. Everyone has their entrances and their exits, and each one must find the gap. Exit pursued by a bear. leave it at that.
Have you got any documentation of filming? Because we're not actually.